Namaskar. This is Digambar Kamath. Today Goa is passing through a very difficult times because of COVID pandemic. We have moved from 0 death and green zone to nearly 64 deaths, and every day the cases are increasing. I feel that this is the problem faced by each one of us. We should unitedly fight this problem, and that is why I had suggested right at the beginning that a task force consisting of prominent doctors from the civil society, if required experts from army, all should be included, and a task force should be formed to see that this COVID pandemic is somehow or other restricted. Unfortunately, today everybody is afraid of moving out, afraid of taking any decision, and that is why I feel that each one of us has to act now. The second issue, which is very important, is economy, revival of economy. Today the economy in the state of Goa is at its lowest. Small traders, small gadawalas, small rickshaw pilots, or your motorcycle pilots, or those who prepare khajas, those who prepare chanas, all this section, vulnerable section, is in danger. They are hand to mouth, and today they don't have anything to eat. Such section has to be immediately compensated. Either compensate them through some package, or compensate them by waiving some electricity bills, electricity, water supply bills, etc. So that if economy has to be revived, then this vulnerable section has to start their business again. Only then the economy can be revived. Third important issue. Third important issue which touches heart of every common man is education. It is said that without education you cannot achieve anything. Here also today the situation is students are afraid because they are sometimes asked to give examination during this pandemic. Teachers are afraid because they are asked to come to the schools and sit at schools. For online education is the only solution for this crisis. Goa government should immediately move to use maximum intranet facility where broadband connectivity is given to all the panchayats in the Goa, and through intranet you can impart uninterrupted online education to the students anywhere, any corner in the state of Goa. Because broadband connectivity is to all the panchayats in the state of Goa, and if you take help of cable operators, then things can be easier and students and parents can get the best of the online education sitting at their home. Thank you.